I am Elwyn Davies, and I am here to ask you a question. Is a creator not entitled the freedom to share and learn design secrets? No, says the agency owner. This knowledge comes at a price. No, says the consultant. It must be reserved for the experienced. No, says the competitor. These are our proprietary secrets. I rejected those answers. Instead, I chose something different. I chose the impossible. I chose the campus. Welcome to a new society built for those bold of heart, thirsting for their first or 101st innovation. Welcome to a congregation where technology is unlocked and demystified, where trade secrets are freely shared. Welcome to your next community, and by the sweat of your brow, a place where your creativity and graft reaps rewards for you. We are Pixelhaze, and let's build great big things.